In this video we'll be looking at reactions on benzylic carbon. Now benzylic carbon is a carbon atom which is attached to the benzene ring. So we'll start off with toluene. This is toluene. Toluene can be prepared from Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So by now I'm guessing everybody is well versed with those reactions. So this carbon is the benzylic carbon attached to the benzene ring. Now if I take this reaction, treat it with Br2 and light, I will have the bromination of benzylic carbon. Okay, if I did this reaction only with benzene, there wouldn't be any reaction. Okay, now this was discussed in the previous video, but since the battery was running down, I couldn't prolong the video. So this reaction, this video will be completely dedicated to the nucleophilic reactions which will happen here, and we will learn maybe one or two new reactions from this section. So you have a brominated benzylic carbon here. Now here on this carbon you can have all sorts of nucleophilic substitution reactions taking place, basically nucleophiles sitting in place of Br. So in the previous video we saw a general one. Now we'll see a bunch of specific examples. So the first example is in the presence of aqueous KOH. Okay, in the presence of aqueous KOH, OH minus is the nucleophile that you will acquire from this reagent. So I'll just maybe write this with a pencil. So the nucleophile, I am writing it with the pencil. It is OH minus. I hope it is visible. Okay, so OH minus will replace Br. Okay, so you have benzyl alcohol. So the name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. So this corner is CH2. I'll start introducing these skeletal structures for you all. This is benzyl alcohol. Okay, OH attached to the carbon which is attached to benzene ring. Now let's take the next nucleophilic reaction. Suppose if I have sodium cyanide. Okay, sodium cyanide is more easily you can handle it more easily compared to HCN. Now sodium cyanide, here in sodium cyanide, Cn minus is your nucleophile. Okay, so Cn minus will replace Br and you will have benzyl nitrile. Okay, so benzyl nitrile. Okay. Another nucleophilic reaction which is possible. Suppose if I add ammonia, NH3. Now NH3 will basically replace Br. But here NH3 will have a positive charge because these two pair, I mean this lone pair of electrons, they actually attack this carbon by removing this bromine. Now since there is a positive charge here, Br minus will act like a counter ion here. Now if you add a little bit of base in this, okay, like NaOH, what it will do is it will take out one hydrogen from the base, will push one hydrogen out from here, from NH3, and it will get converted to this structure here, okay, where NH2 is attached to the benzene ring. To be honest, I'm not really sure about the common name which is there for this compound. Maybe when we'll be doing primary amines, the reactions of it, I will give you the name for it. Okay, so these are the three reactions which are there. When these are the three prominent nucleophiles which are used in place of Br, which can be substituted. There's one more reaction, as I just now remembered, we can put up, is an alkoxy group. Okay, so suppose if this is that alkoxy alkoxy compound, 1 2 3 4 sodium. So this is a butoxy group. Alkoxy is basically an alkyl group attached to an oxygen. Okay, so here this group will attack this carbon atom here, removing the bromine. So we'll just draw this structure out. The incoming alkoxy group is bringing in 4 carbon atoms. So oxygen will be attached to this carbon. So I'll draw another line and write oxygen. Okay, oxygen attached to this carbon here. So this carbon I'm going to represent with a corner, and that oxygen will be here. Now behind it, it has a tail of 4 carbon atoms. So I hope you've understood how the reactions on benzylic carbon atom takes place once you brominate it. So the moment you halogenate it, you can have all sorts of nucleophilic reaction happening at that place, at the benzylic carbon atom. Okay. So now we will check out another example. So that was too simple for us to understand. Okay, now here you need to check if I have any hydrogens on the benzylic carbon atom. Okay, so I've added another group. Now you need to check if there is going to have if this carbon atom has a benzylic hydrogen. So 1 2 3 carbon atoms, so the 4th valency is with a hydrogen. So when you do this reaction with bromine in the presence of light, bromine will be attached to that carbon. Okay, so all the other so all the nucleophilic reactions which were there, all those nucleophilic reactions are possible here. So I will draw, I will just write the reagents and keep. Maybe you can take a screenshot of this map once I finish. You can complete them by yourself and maybe post those answers on the comment section. NH3 will give you one compound here, and from here you'll have to add a base. So you'll have to identify A, you'll have to identify B, you have to identify C, you have to identify D. Okay, and the last one, so sodium ethoxy group here, DE. So you can take a screenshot of this, work the problem out, pause the video. I will put the answers below once you finish. Okay, so I'm guessing you have done it. Now just check if you've got the correct answers or no. So compound A is going to be this one. Okay, this type of a benzyl alcohol. Compound B is going to be this kind of a benzyl nitrile. Okay, compound C will look something like this. Sorry, I'm really sorry. This is, I made a mistake. NH3 plus, Br minus will be along with it as a counter ion. Okay, D is simply going to be where hydrogen is knocked out from that NH3, one hydrogen getting knocked out from there. So you have a benzyl ammonium compound, and E, that is this one, will look something like this. So our Br is on this carbon atom. So this carbon atom, you're going to have an oxygen like this, okay, and then its tail. Okay, so I would just check your answers if you got A, B, C, D and E correct. Okay, so this was something which will be part of the assignment worksheet, which you are going to have, which you are going to get it in the description. There's going to be a link there. You'll find the link there, the Google Drive link. A worksheet will be given, so please complete that worksheet, and the worksheet is based on all the reactions that we've covered so far, with electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction and reactions on benzylic carbon atom. So these are all reactions on benzylic carbon atom that we are discussing. So I hope you've understood what we discussed in this video. If there are any doubts, any comments, you wish to share your thoughts, please do it in the comment section. I will try to respond it as early as possible. Thank you.